Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make Pinterest account public. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to pinterest.com and log in into your account. Now, once you've logged in into your account, you need to look for your profile icon, which is located at the top right. Next to your profile icon, you'll see this arrow here. Just click on that. And from here, you need to go to settings. Now, under settings, you'll see a bunch of things in here. Now, previously, you could actually edit your profile visibility, or you can make your account public if you go to privacy and data. But right now, as of this moment, this was updated and you can now update your account to public via the profile visibility. Now, in here, you'll have the option to make it either private, or you want to basically hide your boards from search engines. So if you have this enabled before, then you have to just disable this one and just hit on save, and you are good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.